From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. My name is Jacob Matthews, and I'm here to give you your Campus Weather Service afternoon forecast. Let's take a look at the conditions for various cities in Pennsylvania. We can see that Pittsburgh as well as Williamsburg are experiencing hazy conditions, and Wilkes-Barre, PA is experiencing mostly sunny conditions. Let's take a look at Beaver Stadium live at State College. We can see that hazy conditions are also present with temperatures that feel like 61 degrees, a dew point of 48 degrees, and a visibility of 10 miles with winds south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Let's take a look at temperatures just outside of State College and see how they compare to State College. We can see that some of the temperatures are a bit warmer, especially in areas just west of State College, like DuBois, Indiana, with temperatures of 65 and 66 degrees. If we expand the state even more, we can see that areas just more northwest of State College, as well as southeast of State College, are much warmer, especially in Erie with a temperature of 69 degrees, and Philadelphia with a temperature of 67 degrees. Let's take a look at the dew points and see how, and if you can see how they compare to the actual temperature, you can see that the dew points are much lower, especially in areas like Williamsport, which means that we can see some pretty dry conditions for today. If we compare the temperatures to the rest of the country, we can see that that areas down south are much warmer than areas up north, especially in Tampa, that has a temperature of 88 degrees, and Corpus Christi with a temperature of 85 degrees. Let's take a look at the radar and satellite image for State College right now, as well as Pennsylvania. We can see that clear and sunny skies are expected for the afternoon, as well as no chance of rain. And if we expand into the northeast, we can see pretty much the same. As we go down a bit southwest, you can see some rain. This is because of Hurricane Sally. Remnants of Hurricane Sally will bring in some rainier conditions and into the southeast, as we continue for the rest of the day. So what does this mean for the northeast as well as Pennsylvania? Well, as we advance through to future weather, we can see some cloudier conditions are coming, especially for northwest Pennsylvania as well as southeast. And we can see this dry band happening across the center of the state. And as we go into Thursday late afternoon, we can see some spots of rain that are eventually going to form as cloudier conditions increase. And as we head into Friday morning, some of this rain and clouds are going to eventually dissipate off into the southeast. And as we expand out of the state, we can see for Friday at 9:30 a.m. We can see those conditions are dissipating more into the Atlantic. And we can even see some rain bands from Hurricane Sally going over into the Atlantic. So most of the activity of remnants from Hurricane Sally are pretty much just going to miss us, and they're just going to be completely south from us. So let's look at the forecast for State College today. Right now, we can expect sunny and comfortable conditions with a high of 70 degrees, with winds south at 5 to 8 miles per hour. Let's take a look at conditions for tonight. We can see that partly cloudy skies are expected overnight with a low of 51 degrees, winds south 3 to 6 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we can see that conditions are going to be mostly sunny and breezy with a high of 71 and calm wind. And for the 7-day forecast, we can see sunny and hazy skies for Wednesday. And as we continue to Thursday and Friday, we can continue to see those cloudy conditions build up, like how we saw from the radar and satellite imagery for the future weather. And as we continue on for the rest of the week, we can see those clouds are going to dissipate, as well as they're going to bring in some colder conditions as well. We can see temperatures going from 70 today to 62 on Saturday. And as we continue on later into the former half of next week, we can see temperatures are starting to rise up to 68 as well as 72. Well, that's all I have for you. I'm Jacob Matthews for Campus Weather Service Forecasting.